bestie, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Tasia Michelle. Today we have UNice hair. All the information on this wig will be down in the description, so check that out. Today's gonna be a very quick, fast-paced video because nothing's changed, okay? If you want this wig, I honestly don't think it's beginner friendly. You're gonna have to pluck a lot, and I wasn't a big fan of the lace. Yeah, it wasn't given. And the knots on pre-colored wigs are always dark, so I don't know. I just never really like that. It looks weird sometimes, especially if you going out. Don't nobody want to see that, you feel me? That's honestly why I cut bangs and like pre-colored wigs, because the knots are atrocious. But I make it work. I can make it work. Other than that, I don't have any other complaints on this wig. It was really pretty and I enjoyed the curls. So yeah, all the products and everything I use will be down in the description, so check that out. I want to give you a heads up now. The style that you see in the end of this video was not what I ended up doing. I ended up cutting bangs in it and adding a little bit more layers. I didn't realize that that's what I wanted to do until after I finished recording. I don't know what it is, but sometimes when I get on camera, I'm like, let me do this. And then I don't end up liking it and I change it off camera and I'm like, dang, I should have recorded it. I know we like deep into this video already, but I'm using the Ebon Adhesive Lace Spray. I'm actually starting to like it a little more. I know I was on Twitter talking noise, but that don't matter. Act like you ain't know. I just honestly feel like the takedown process is easier because I could just put water on my hairline and rip that wig off. So yeah, get you some Ebon. Even though I said it's not that good, I've learned how to use it. I really don't have much to say, so I'm gonna let the music play and then I will see you in the end.
as you got your eyes, got you trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record.
We are at the end of the video, so I grabbed my blow dryer and I just blow dried the rest of the hair. It gave it a lot of volume, which I love. I fluffed it out with my fingers, did the roots some more, and then I was finished. That's it for this video, honestly. In the end, I will have some pictures showing you how the bangs turned out. It was really cute. It looked better. It hid my big head, so yeah, I like it. I had to put a part in this wig with some concealer because that part wasn't given, and I plucked it, y'all. So yeah, make sure you got some concealer on hand so you can put it on your part. But that's all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will have better videos coming because I'm tired of the hair content. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.